Hey, my name's Bob, and I'm not exactly qualified to give these guys marriage advice, but I'm sure they'll be great at it, regardless. I am married. No. I would just say keep joking. Just keep having fun, and you guys seem to always kind of bring out the best in each other, and I would keep that at the surface.
The advice I can give to these two guys for marriage, just tough it out.
That's great advice.
Yeah, in all seriousness, just be there for each other and love each other, and I know you do.
Hey, I'm Ed, and congratulations, you two. I don't have too much advice other than continue to love each other and continue to be one.
To always remember not to take life too seriously, and when it throws you a curveball, laugh about it.
Love one another and be nice to each other.
Listen to each other. That's all I have to say.
I, John, give you this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring I thee wed. I, Kathy, give you, John, this ring as the symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring I thee wed. And Kathy and John, because you have pledged your love and commitment to each other here before these witnesses, I declare that you are married. May the love that lives in and around all of us infuse your hearts and fill your lives. You may now kiss your bride.
Yay!